Now, number 8 has been confirmed. Kotoko are confirming the 8th signing for the club ahead of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season. Kotoko are confirming 8th signing. Yes, Patrick ASIEDU to say the other report to Mamo say Kotoko and in the medicals. Now medicals no on net player friend no Dauda Saka and a baboom. Now say Kotoko are confirming Patrick ASIEDU, as you can see on the screen, was signed for Kotoko. Yes, no information no a buyer quickly also a chatum ML Super 24 TV and Kai who say Patrick ASIEDU a left back. Yes, you can left back can it number 3 no a chire wing back or no or your left wing back utimi kona nimpa yes inti Patrick ASIEDU the role obono no and Kumasi Asante Kotoko agrabeno. So this is the second left back Kotoko asai onim se Kotoko sign smart on also a left back inti Patrick abeka home they say no menye sure se Kotoko be sign any other left back e dey aka home because akoye Patrick ASIEDU any smart and ebe compete for a start, but we no mean to mean say be serious competition. Say no omo 2 left back Kotoko 2 left back ogum de be adwuma a smart no ana say Patrick ASIEDU and me sure say games are be born a doors nti obia betimi abo a good number of games for Asante Kotoko in the season between 6th of September July August and near September near Ghana Premier League. Now say this is how Kumasi Asante Kotoko confirming the whole deal for Patrick ASIEDU from Berekum. Chelsea was saying Asante Kotoko is pleased to announce the signing of talented left back Patrick ASIEDU from Berekum Chelsea. Asante Kotoko FC and hashtag Fabu Senso and hashtag Kumasi Asante Kotoko for all. Mamema a recap of 8 players Kotoko are signing. Abdul Rahman Abdul Karim no. Striker, yes. And Kotoko sign a smart or a left back. And Kotoko sign Emmanuel Ebchi. Yes, make the bank say offensive midfielder and as a forward, center forward Bibisa and Kotoko a sign player your friend Cheba for Elvis Cheba for Awuchi on also operating in the middle but offensive on also kwana nimpa on your fully fledged striker but with Babon as a striker and I feel Kotoko sign Samba Unel. Yes, and Kotoko sign Joseph Agblo and Kotoko sign Dauda Saka not too long ago. And finally 8-1 as he say Wabato 8 Patrick ASIEDU say you're trying the 9th one